Infrared. We will learn in this video about the infrared, which is a kind of electromagnetic waves. As you can see here in the table that we have been using, that the infrared, IR, follows microwaves with a range of frequency of 10 to the power 11 to 10 to the power 14 and wavelength of 10 to the power minus 3 to 10 to the power minus 6. The main source of infrared are hot objects. We say that they emit infrared radiation. All objects, including your bodies, emit infrared radiation, but the hotter the object is, the more IR radiation it emits. The sun feels hot because of the infrared radiation it gives out. A grill or a toaster also gives off lots of infrared, and that's how they cook food. And electric heaters emit infrared radiation to warm rooms quickly. Other than the heating property of infrared, they are safe, so they can also be used around the home in sending signals, for instance with TV remote controls. So, as agreed, the main sources of infrared radiation are the sun and hot objects. Therefore, their detectors will be the skin that absorbs the radiation, but for safety, sometimes it can be harmful as it can damage, burn, or kill skin cells because it heats up the cells. And other detectors may be thermographic cameras or can be also called infrared cameras that are used to see people and animals in the dark that are emitting radiation. Therefore, it's a night vision. In addition to night vision, detecting heat using infrared thermometers or scanners to detect radiation emitted from hot areas on the body surface, heating as we already explained using electric heaters, and remote controls for TV and video equipment that transmit signals carried by IR radiation that are detected electronically by the TV or video player. These are some uses of infrared IR.